Hi, good day everyone. This is Lainey here at Harvick Farms, and we actually have a really cool opportunity to do an unboxing video. This box came from TN Nursery, which is a nursery that does bare root plants. So we're gonna get right into it. I did go ahead and pre-cut this box, just so you didn't have to see me struggle opening that component of it. But here you can see, got this open here, and here are so far the plants. So they gave us a variety of fruit trees to see how we would like them. Already this is really cool. This is some detailed information about what dormant plants look like and why, and some information specifically about perennials versus the trees, ferns, and vines. So that's nice. It's not just a generic information. It does specify each of those different things, so that's very cool. So we'll put this to the side here, and now we are going to see what they sit as. So, alright, we're gonna put that right to the side, and very cool. So we are looking at, we have black raspberry, and it looks like the way that they do their packaging is they have the cardboard. It's nice and moist in here, so good condensation related there. The roots look lovely and nice and healthy. The stalk itself looks very nice and has clean cuts, which is good. Sometimes in the past we've seen, not from this particular nursery, but we've seen cuts not be clean, which is just allows for some susceptibility to disease. And so these look very nice and clean cuts. The next one that we have is a Celeste Fig Tree. Very cool. This one is super healthy and very stocky. I am very impressed with this particular one. It already looks like it has some new growth on it, so that is fantastic. We'll start to get these down into the ground soon enough. Now let's keep looking to see what else we got here. Next, mulberry. Oh, very exciting. Yes, so mulberry is great, just like you'll see here some of the other ones that we're about to go through. These are native plants in the area, so it's great to understand how you can cook with these and can with them and put this in your food forest or your orchard. So this is also, you can see definite green on the branches, and it looks like already some new growth as well. So mulberry tree on that one. And then we have our pawpaw tree. So these, I don't know if you know what a pawpaw tree, but pawpaw tree is a native fruit tree from Missouri area, and it has a little bit of a mango feel to it. So if you're into having that type of texture and that palate when you have mangoes, pawpaw is a really good alternative. It does have larger seeds than typically what you would see in some other fruit sizes. So as long as you can pick those out, you can actually keep those seeds obviously and make more pawpaws out of them. So pawpaw tree looks very healthy like the rest and clean cuts. I think that's really important to note. Last, ooh, persimmon. Very cool. So same thing, great packaging, like very minimal plastic. It's just enough in order to have some condensation so the roots aren't getting completely dried out. Nice cardboard in here as well. And we'll lay these out so you can kind of see everything really nicely, but all in all, everything looks great, packaged very well, healthy, wonderful instructions, and I am very impressed. Thank you, Tennessee or TN Nursery, for giving us the opportunity to do an unboxing video. So if you have any questions, definitely leave it in the chat below. And if you are interested in something else that you may want me to order for them just to see how it comes and it's shipped, let me know. We're very interested. I think we're probably gonna reach back out and maybe look at a pollinator pack and see how those come through. So until next time, this is Lainey from Harvick Farms.